The severe steering wheel shake in your Ram 1500 at highway speeds is almost always caused by worn outer tie rod ends or an out-of-balance tire, and we are going to diagnose and fix it right now. You can stop this violent vibration permanently by replacing the failing tie rod ends and getting a road force wheel balance. This terrifying shaking usually kicks in between 60 and 70 miles per hour and feels like the entire truck is falling apart. The front independent suspension on the Ram 1500 puts immense stress on the steering linkage. When the ball joint inside the outer tie rod end loses its tight tolerance, highway speeds amplify that tiny amount of play into a massive, violent vibration that travels straight up the steering column into your hands. To locate the exact source of the movement, jack up the front of your truck and secure it on stands. Grab the front tire at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions and push and pull firmly. If you hear a clunking noise or feel any free play in the wheel, look directly behind the brake rotor at the outer tie rod. If you see the joint moving independently of the steering knuckle, that part has failed and must be replaced immediately. Replacing the outer tie rod end requires a 21mm socket to remove the locking nut on the steering knuckle. Hit the side of the knuckle with a heavy hammer to shock the tapered stud loose, rather than hitting the thread itself. Count the exact number of threads exposed on the inner tie rod before spinning the old part off. Thread the new tie rod onto that exact same position to keep your alignment close enough to safely drive to a shop. Torque the new castle nut to 65 foot-pounds and insert a fresh cotter pin to lock it securely in place. Even though you counted the threads, installing a new steering component changes the front geometry slightly. Take your truck directly to an alignment shop and request a road force balance on both front tires. This two-step approach eliminates the loose linkage causing the shake and neutralizes any microscopic wheel imbalances that trigger the wobble at highway speeds.